island so strong.
Yeah.
Me no ka say nay, ebetimi ase aka say even though Dr. Bamiansa aka forms no, onye declare an intention because forms na we be fill na file na chese afidi ampa. We say me gide bi no onya fa nkoye. Enti say Obama say nyina mane na edom betu di wechi bebre ni ade na fe o fele form na ayo just onya nkra fa nkwa. Na we di nipa ebre nyambo. Enti Ghana fo nyina nya botre say fele form ni wie na sa fe de o ti na dp e kato wo say afi de me wie ma fele ma hwe de won krata so nyina me gidi se me safata se metime di MPP amayoko ni mu a obebo bi amane na em se sada ne de o ha je se mu nyina moto Sunyani kronim na mo bankan na mo de mani we hwe bi
but miracle dear na ma such hardworking people to some you are so clear as a ukasa nyina mo you so clear say when it comes to leadership any power for now as we betime leading mo party near Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia
ina say o minintia no kre say situation wo mu sisi yakobi muda Ghana free by 1992 I shall say democracy in pursuing the economic development and the progress of this country no I had to say bro from yes a pendulum I had to say friend say merry go round the koye ni ma be mi nsa na ya baye chi be enum ni nsia the koye ni mi nsa na ya baye chi enum ni nsia the dum pempen so bi e wo man we mu a e say kwan bia so the dey you do no ya pem koye ni mu na yetumi eyi ho free the weak economic fundamentals in once and for all you na so be for ba be fa na watwa so a na enye hwe because after all by the time obeba no na fundamentals en eden ya fix ewie ye ba be mu no MPP ye ba be mu ye kan ye hu ye say o man we no ye fundamentals no ye weak and example ba ko ne say ye niema ye use wo man ni mu no dodo na ye krafi ama no ne eba enunti se obi enya itiyare kakra bi woni man mu a na akan because nipa no ye da ye bibia eda no so nti even though amano ndi sika to say dollars ne pounds ye ndidi wo kromu a ye ntwe bi wo kromu no esane say ye bibia edan sa amayaman we nti embe bia ne ye pese sika ne bia to amayin anka say ye sika edi wo man we mu no ayemre and it's simply because say me no kasa no pi emu a maybe emu a wo edi tomatoes krampo tomatoes a wo edi tin tomatoes ye dey for ma once a wo fifie esama ye dey brodoma once a wo die fifie ni nyina ye krafi amano ne nti aban we ye di so ade hu ne say ekwan bia ye be fa so ye be fix sa fundamentals to ensure say your dependence on import no e be kofem prekope no e say ye basane ma we do untimi fa fe ba ko ye untimi fa fe mienu ye untimi fa miensa ne nan ye uhia a certain long-term strategy to be able to achieve it. In doing it, no, ubenya akwenshia bebre, akwenshia ni bi nya in 2020. But it doesn't mean say unya sa akwenshia na wabembebu na we ja to ho na wase akoyi be foforo. Ekwen bia wo be fa so in spite of that akwenshia no, wo be koso apemako enim na wotumi yi wo hwem prekope no. Ene na ye pese ye no. Na ya ba be hu say be ye wo sisi ya no. We on the right path except that ye share akwenshia. Se ya hwe ni ye ne yakase ye di akwenhia ni ti a ye be san so ejato na afoforo a omuntumi nje abefa no ma se no kra amayen enti ene se even 1% of tomato paste ye di kra na ye ya sha se ye wo man we through 1D1 net kra that is progress. We need more years to be able to increase it from 1% to 20-30%. Say 5% of Adea roofing sheet ayeka ene ye to me through 1D1 ya sha say ya e hu be hia say be to so na you moving from 5% to 20%, and that is why this government believes say ekwem bia ye be fa so a ye be to me e break it na yakota tem ni nko ha ba men ka se mi jiro ye ka sa industrialization nyina ewie no ete kese pa ni titiri kese pa for ye asoman ene ekwan ye fa so a timemu for citizens. You're making sure that every citizen will be productive. Also be contributing to the economy of this country. We can only do that if you have the citizens with the right skills. Now, after 2016 na afibia almost about 135,000 yemba maybe omo to be school do at the DSS we are on to me to us on secondary school because of normal me ne busua eni sika obo ne beto aso ana say school adan a obetirem dormitories obedem no ebi ni ho yen ye bae no as a result of the free senior high school education and the interventions in the infrastructure and sa akoinsidie we yegusu aye pia egunje amen o ka say free SHS here implement here the fundamental reason was that you pay cost barrier hiding if you now the cost barrier has been removed but it has come with its own challenges. Such challenges no you nyam fix here yegusu aye fix it and you to be down to ho na farmer obi foforo no o say ade no ono oni gidie wom enti say you jato near the manner you do so better no now the free SHS no waba best say no. And then we will come back again maybe 8 years later and we say that we are going to work towards bringing it back. Now, and I make a pendulum, no, or here, no other winning. And so you're very clear, say, breaky 8. But you bet me breaky are 8 now. We hear political power, the boy. May an MPP. The GDN say, Nipa ba or pet and away yama you kuimua. Which may DNA. They any NDC for John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency, Election 2024. Obetumi e winning amaye and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because ono na represent hope and that's so ono no represent progress and kanko ono na represent unity in Kabum Ghana ye dum pempen so bi a ehia kendifo a obetumi de nyamesoma hodo nyina trafa akone ya fa adwen ehia kendifo bi a obetumi de ebusuakuo ene enkura hodo nyina trafa ko afa adwen ye kendi fo betumi afa na nanom sofia na atifi sofia na fo nyina trafa ko na ya fa adwen ye kendi fo a Ghana ni bia so no hwe we de oye sonko Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia minia onte say ye mu a ye beka say ye friend say 222 politician is a different breed politician or a new category of politician and Ghana ha yen shede bida and that is why we believe so ono is the right person for this party and this country moving forward. And see, Obesenko, your friend is saying, Ahafo, Obesenko Bono East, Asante Memu Vota, Western, Central, any of the Kekahua. Every single MPP person, clear in our mind, say, Prime Minister Badia, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the right person to lead our party for us to be able to win power and pursue the agenda of the country and of the government.
Okay. Miracle memoir, but my memoir clear way quickly. Said some years ago, President Kufuor no na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia servo as Bank of Ghana deputy. But it will be so. Na Mwamo party for you can say Obada Bay and all that. I don't know follow tradition, no.
So I need to only be called a con. Nasa flower, not what in the so that it's the be no de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign or running no we try as much as possible say we won't pay attention to those things. Your democracy is 34 years 92 so democracy won't say 34 years. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia under President Kufuor or appointed as governor of Bank of Ghana. The first appointment of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia of Bank of Ghana was in 2001. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia contribution to the party from 92 to 2001 in film. If 2001, about 2023, and yet 22 years. Now say your democracy you did 34 years. That's what will be a 7-year party near buying for 22 years. Also about that. Now, Mr. na miracles not make us bad. And I say you copy baby in there. Na yenja party ni mo sign forms no now nim de me won ka sign me mo say omo kasa no ukofa party no foundation omo fill forms sign ya omo kan wo enzi say sanitary yen ko hwehwe omo no ye kokko register MPP party no mo de omo sign dey e chance ye me constituency chairman e di ankama mo ne de omo sign dey omo ina sebe omo nyam friend say omo ko nyankopon what you say omo na ewu enti ye ya kanu ade no political party dey ya hindi ye ku edu so na wa ye bi edu bi ofufo so no so ayeden atoaso Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nipa obeyi omuti so mpese mo run for e friend say Flabberry, you know, Mumpi Nua, you bet me and say, was a MPP in the Senate Tamamudu Bamia, because of be or no, why are running mate for the party for 4 elections. So I just 4 elections. Now when MPP party I go for NDC and CPP ni some running mate da. So person will test obi party membership ba the NS so sense nipa ni running mate of the party. And you know why running mate for the party 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020, 4 elections. Now I say the vice president close to 8 years now. Only one MPP. I think there's some of the annoyance to be our kana. And in any case, political party, party number and number of years away as a way to be party. And throw baby high. Yes, say I saw a party member. No, I do that. Now we in the PB Ghana Rano qualify also with medium and penny man. So I just say, until what we feel a war no party anyway, no a year I in we do so no party for frat no but party the money age your party run says so your party member so we join the party no last year cra na say party run man who can so be contest there bibi en so who can so be contest na yen so no ye adwen as a party say ye peke wo say be deep party the name because wo ba ya te na say wo ba ya te na say won to me win elections amaya na fa so be na wo and na say wo ba ya te na se ye de wokọ abato ene ndisi koshi a untumi enye edwuma na faso be na wo so ye tobi o ye party ni na o qualify say obetumi ayo mampedi based on Ghana mra na ye de ne kwa akono a obewo gidie mapa ewo MPP party ni MPP aban no emu na wedi enim aton ye party no ene ya aban na Ghana fo ato sani pando tamamudu ba we say obi afro ewo radio station no keka sansam na Kachen say MPP, ye campaigns are MPP, ye want ye the nidie, ye hon brasier, and the die Juma into Jaisa. Why?
Brago, I don't pay my answer, baby.
Well, Mr. Bedase, she was for you.
Okay, I was for Betty. All right, Yemia Nini Komo, Ono, Anaye, spokesperson, Edema Baumia campaign team, Dennis Abuaje Miracle, Odo na no pay. Ote se yene no edin komo enso so ho nya kwa brother bat na se o chiame ni mo enso ewo fie ha anopai enso nti se sa ne be no bia be fa forms bia se a friend spokesperson ni enya na ye be man time no so akana asem na eti obi ade na yenya balance and fairness of the game say omude na ho so ti yenko zidane sa se de e ma NDC for no sa ne be ama candidates na mo New Patriotic Party. So willingness no honey from no just why not? We are here to serve. Nyako machi.
Ye nuana na Nkwantabisa.
Umpom to say you.
Nyankopon adom me ho ye mpacho na wonso e.
Nyankopon adom beso me ho ye pa.
Ye de Awurade ase dada damasi o.
Mo amoba ye nyina.
Dada damasi.
Mo amoba ye nyina.
Dada damasi o. Dada damasi. Mo amota ye chima ye di nkunim ye damasi. Enrada obia ni ji so pe ball so on pe ball enra me cultural station ma ko hye kosua da abofo match bia osunyane no menu akosua si ma pampamaton
na den
ma ko akogika taxi da abofo match bia meton ni kosua na me twi me taxi me pa kire wo say the qualification of Bofuakwata no FC into the Ghana Premier League HSA sunya be yeshi
yeah
Edwadie beba Sunyani.
Oh yes.
One way or the other, sika beba nipa kotokuo mu.
Oh yes.
We ye smart ya da abofo match no. We be call fair service. We pon wasore ba ya no wakwaji wukoma.
Yeah.
Wakope obi no na ye hyehyɛ ye ensuo gum na wo de nam wo be tu sompa miso fruit drink 5G drink egu ice chest mu. So ahunu na wo de nam park ya no ho hotel fo mu nhyase mfa mu huntwitwi Bofuakwata no. Wo hu se bofo pa ne has ya na se kotoko match ya nipa beba kuro yi mu
yeah
so ahu bofo ene adua na ebo local Abia hwe nipa beba kuro yi mu hotel fo benya adwuma ye obi a wonim Sunyani wo ba wo so empacho hefa na menya Sompa FM pese me ko ho na me hwe o live on Facebook me nim Shiva me tie ne presentation me nim Madridista me nim Papa Clef me pese me ko ko che na me hwe o na me no mu twa selfie na taxi fo ebenya adwuma ye taxi driver obe fana tinemu de na ba Sompa wa charge ne kakra bi aguni botom so ahunu Kwame bofo qualify wo Sunyani no Sunyani nya di kwasie da bio kwasie da ye pon asori a ye na ye pepre man bo no ye be hye ye sneakers ya hye nika ne ya hye ye club tee ne ye de flag green white agu ye komu bofo ye damase empanifo atai bofo achi nyina ye damase read the die hard supporters of bofo akwata no ye da obia
se no biefo nyina ba bofo
because se no ye unuanya na wonsu wanya so ahu so wo tai na chi a
nyina ye support agenda
ebe true baabi no nyame be bie kwan a ebia na asi a
unya bi mo ntu be support agenda
de wo mu ne se nyabo anasia
ye be
tai bi ehima bi enso aba
o ma won nice so crap bofo agbo
oni wafutwi ho kra bofo abo
ye bofo abo
no na mani age am town became sweet
ja
kromu ye de
na ko jeja me kai them say hey bubebu ade yo
anu na ye ni je anu na ye ni
je
edu ba bi na vim na aye aba fom na wa shase nsuo nsu gugu kakra bi na wa shase e deme
ye bu ya na afei mu se boys ni rewura corners na fa ne gofo rewura afei no mta de vim number aso mu ko ba bia na vim na ye foforo
in fact oblite de no fa ba bi keeper ni so oblite de ni mu ne de no kore kwa me a metena ntena
me nan koko mu
me gina nyina
say na me say hwe mo life
oh
te mu so ye de wo fiara
abroad na kwa me de na mama ni eboa me kakra ye so unse Sompa for ya da romanti na ye yetumi nya go na ansa na ye hwe no TV so enti sugar ye no di kan ma ye hu ana makoma to me yam sugar ye no ma ye hu na makoma to me yam na oblite de no ka say oh ehwa na me ye di na me ka say adum nyame hye hu ani munyam enti ba ko
okay
adum nyame hye hu ani munyam nyankopon hye ne hu ani yes
aferi matias
enti sugar ka say bofura mse kai akwane de na ya say na mse pese me de mani hwe no wo TV so na goalkeeper Kobe so mu twe Kobe u ba me wa 3 rounds ma mizo 3 me de chaw kwa mizo na de na wo dwene
me nwe na mka say
mi wo mizo 3
am ka so kan 5G mum so ope de ne boarding
mizo 3 Kobe mi wo mizo 3 de ma oblito de mema no 5G ohia vim foforo be bo penalty anti oba be man 5G 5G1 mi so nya rounds wo se wonom de ba ko mienu oh yeah rounds se ba ko 1 round mienu
de na rounds e producer person odi share ya no
me kra minim se mi zo no onom de wine no asa no de asi wo na nya round
round 1 fight
second one
fight
round
3 fight
now anom she said rounds and I say now
no
oh Joe
onim ka manfo so nim tie
Sompa FM
why ade o ja me mo machi
kwa me ma ajoso a
empom ti say
me de ni je na fitin randa ho gina mu
ejina mu
nka ekoye se
eno ya se o yere de nyankopon ase pa
odanya se ase now ase yero da wase
sad easy weekends
ke ka ba fie
Abia sha be adwuma tie nie o enwumre no ba be adwuma no pa be adwuma tie o se wo kwa mistake bia
de bura ma menti a no ase me mi ase na me ko na me se me mi ase hon ma dwuma ba se we for body
yo ayuma just say
so be kwaje me nko bi
we na wo baby amekọ ho na afa
da bi say onye se me no na ekwa bom sa o ba wo kwa kwa
nya na idam chese wo baby amekọ je ho na afa me no oh dem say
wajuani
Ojabibo the face blood of pain
so kwaje me
wajuani
Sompa FM
yeah
omo ba first half nne so to hwe me ni no afei
na park let them ni baby obusa am say so to na am say dem am to okay
come eya me yo afei do na say nya hwe enya hwe e de omo beba omo bebe no me na be hwe abu
Opa so mumra mandi.
Da bi we ne ye be kwa akohia omo. We ba yi nsuatrama de no ye kohia omo wo adesi. We de ye be kwa akohia omo wo bechem. Eho ye be ko bechem.
Omo ye kra pedra beso.
Twaso.
To fu eskadie.
Enro.
Yeah.
Me nyakodi ka said okay me nyamienu nukurani. Me nyamienu nukurani me ye be United fan.
Yeah.
Me fancy. Me di be echi.
Yeah.
Benra die. Na sese bofo ama anra na nka hwa nka metwa.
Enra die ja. Enra mu se he. Awana mu se. Anyoma nye ozem kwonu to first.
So se bofo kra boni ade fa boni nyina che na de momon qualify. Ha! Kwame. Hey,
na makoma.
Me say bofo o my ade. Eno mama ni je sonko basunya. Eno akura keke na omutimi ye bibia baaye no.
Yeah.
Ohun kakra bi na esi ye no ekurum ye de. Na ye beba bebo. Na ya pompa o parks na bofo wini. Na ye de ni je fakro ni apa fa ma meke mu ho.
Yeah.
Na ya se apa fa area 2.
Alo be fa hanu.
No tesi park.
Yes.
Na me so me de me dia kodru me duma se no.
Aye. Everybody na it was all
na me amanfo friend na we say ebebo me koto plate bi na pan bi na bofo ebebo match am that one so na nya ko ka no.
Yeah, the business side.
Ebebo yen so yen central for na ebebo ai pa. Ebebo
I say paraphernalia say o manfo beto because of bofo because me say obi am say me Brekum Chelsea fan. Oya dey me Brekum Chelsea fan. But me was soft touch e ma bofo. Yeah, more soft touch between B and Bofu. Honestly, more soft touch. I'm a Bofu, but me a Brekum Chelsea fan. But I was so happy. Say, now me pe omu Jason person come shan from Enrap kusi Friday. Bofu Jason kwa minya be miensa. Madan dance 3 days. Let me just copy say Bofu beba.
Yeah.
Because they did well at the point of. That means that Bofu do mukrasa because. Omote ya no omote ka na afa mintimi ni di aduane o dai o mete na ma yese ya me sori megina to obi a no hwe bi o he obi a because kind courtesy of Sompa no and you projecting kakraka o feed wa be bi a
wow
then we all there Charlie dey easy to be honest
Adea ba ko amesua ye ne se Ghana ha nyina uyi ade kanipa bom esum nka nipa mom amanyo sem kra de ye kwa me hwe wo Facebook o obi dwane ye bo Sompa 98 anaju anaju anaju
me share wo mu
oh kona no so
anaju ni o
pin na minya nkofo di maji no so pin ti ewra tan nyina na obi e bo na aben
so kwame we kire wo say football e na kanipa bom
the most na din moto awura mu
football na kanipa bom enti Ghana my empenfo edi anim no wo madwen kɔ football so because eba no ball bo a eba na kansie say eba na sports a ye ni oba ni bema ye ni esuma obi a wo mu
any political party be
Dabi wo ba kɔ na NDC ni ti MPP ni ti na omu nyina eboje bofo so na omu nyina eboje BA so na omu nyina eboje house obi a eboje kotoko so wo hunu obi a eboje Black Stars so nti we ya kwanya ye toto asre GFA ni mpanifo aka bi ewom bunu man mu hamra hyebedwafo se sempo omu wo party A party B party C omu nka mu humbom na Coronation Park no Coronation Park no Coronation Park no
eya no kra be mo omu
ana na ko bu ni be e kan kasa koa to mo mu ayen say ye kwa kobo no mo bu ayen no omu nsanso mo ya bai no we dey nkon ko ba so mu tim ana se wo mu die sei ana we die sei omu bo ya kwa me e be bo no de nya no awo enani na nyina ni jedu
ebe jire wa ko pem da
na ombeba na ombeba kra de na bobo na me bombe se enkonkosi Friday na nke bi o mabba
o so omba Monday
o so omba Monday nyi ombeto o tefi ni ntimi ntu
anya wasem
yentimi he bofo
ye be to bo abu and as that you bomre china Thursday
enyo ye wada bofo ntu kan ye wada ye ntware boy ye so ta ye wada ye ntwa ti message say omra Friday enumre no nine mo
no message he do gwa na message o jwa
so betwa
ya visa hwe so twa kwa
I call the prayer ne beko
oh before ya dey kwame na mi anim ni o ma mo boa ma bofo ba ya de ma memmo ye nua we aba so count me nyini mfrim aye Benkruvi
oh yes
mo Benkruvi aba so
no I natural organizer that be I say that
modern mo pa utimi boy ne na montu a otu ya o te no akola bi frɛ me boss akola na ba so se kan e wo wasese nkabofo anwini aka Benkruvi be dey ahwa nko ntimi mma
na me dwene makoma ho no Benkruvi so na me sa dwene ne ho te ma penalty ne say ya 11 wonders player ne be bo no
na me dwene ho oso dwonso ni ho
oso na ba dwonso
oso dwonso
oso dwonso
ko enipa nu obi agbo ahye
so ya kan say sugar ne interview
anopɛ koku boy no wosi anko o Sunyani ko be ko ne wo fa ho ba bi be 1 month
ana me se wo bu ani ye
kan yi baba nya fe na ba ya hyehyɛ
wo bu ani ye wo bu ani ye
baba me mu di nya de
ko no be tene kaka
me mu di nya de obi a solo nya
ablante na bonde wo de se oblite
solo mobilité
so no ne bo pa
oh ya na sa panati nya se wase enza wase ntina ase bo panati
kwa mo ase de o mo ni bo no o mo ta ase panati
ja ni obu ana Ronaldo de Messi o mo ta ase panati ana mbuza ase simple question say Ronaldo Messi ni you know how many times do mo ta ase panati
oh ayampa ayampa kwa me bishop media me so
say woni mbo ba ta ase panati nya no pre
kwame do na ta ase
panati efiefo ndi ta
ase me so de flow poku shiba
me ba so opoku wa
yeah me yes silver
festival ne bisa no ana edi ne bisa omo ni bo bo
ye ntoa so 945 sports fan be na ye flow opoku shiba bia
opoku shiba tena ba bia ati me se shiba tena ba bia o to problem
of penalty ni say kwame na ball no na o jimidi
ana me se wasan wa woni bo bo betima se penalty en fa won ni sa ade
me so de festival ne bisa no min anafra
opoku shiba we shiba bra na musu ase
ne bisa wo mo say kwame asem o chia mi ni mo kane no kura na etine
na
yanko 11 wonders player na ono nso
se o be that panel discussion man sports
me kura me ma
so opoku mba no abedwa ni o ma no pay why me you Michael free why
oh you bofo kwa player ana oh yes
oh 11 wonders na o move him into say bofo
dia me ka player na
I was in Techiman no many abruso mbawini but o by euphoria ne enthusiasm na bofo ekura na masa na no to be honest na no ede hey na no ede
tina nanom na kasa ma na ko na chisa ko yes ade na
why
asuota no
yes asuo no na pam ne ko exist
no wa penalty ba ko aba bebo
asuo na ho no
pam wa hwa ko na
no se crash gina ye ni emperor
ta no asuo ne ho ne ko chi na asuo ne ho no o nya ne nine na ball no
na de
wa hu
ya kunye onye uzakura
kwame ya bro 16 years in opposition 16 years in opposition
same ka baba na manfo afunfo 16 years
so wo kura ba years asio
oni ma izendisi for opposition na ade da
16 years in opposition bofo akwa
na mi adom mu ba o ba be di obu
o be cross wo enra hia na free league mu ko fie ji wa home kakra tena ho kakra home
all right finally Parliament declare a year as a north Akye say a vacant. Na Okaya MCR from betim the krata na to swamami. Okaya yenyirandim yera jachi kwesin nense ma court no. Na a court ni wie na say officially Parliament enyan declare. Enti omunyan declare sana abato no yentimi kra nto. Na aye 29th of May ana krata na nkasa mu troye ti circulation ni dia ba on the 30th which is yesterday and yansa ekebi na enum na the New Patriotic Party MPP for so the krata for fronso abba omonso actually date and time omo de be na me yanhwe parliament krata no attention okay okay omo the way so come electoral commission attention Mrs. Jane Adukwe Mensa or say Madam Chairperson occurrence of vacancy in the membership of parliament na say omuko 2 article no Act 1996 Act 527 1. Cyril Kwabna Otin Insia, clerk to the parliament, to do hereby formally notify you of the occurrence of vacancy in the Asen North constituency, necessitated by the judgment of the Supreme Court dated 17th May 2023, right writ number J1/11/2022 issued in respect of James Jache Kwasin in the case of Michael Ankuma Nimfa versus James Jache Kwasin, the Electoral Commission of Ghana and the Attorney General, and request you to take appropriate consequential action as required by law. And the clerk our parliament, Cyril Kwabena Otin Insia, and also a sign crater na and the New Patriotic Party so the on crater a buyer na let me check now crater no me who made any half a minute. Okay, let me check and give you for my MCR for my let me check this one. Now me the MP before crater na buyer no. What they are saying is say on the 31st or 31st, which is a ne, and almost processes nina ase and so ho. Mama Shansan, that is first thing first. What you mean? MCR Unimi. I said 31st May 2023, open of nomination. Now, Oma close nomination on Thursday, June 1st. Okay, and they just and then you. Okay, so we need to be election will take place on Wednesday, June 7, 2023. The party has also approved detailed rules and regulations to govern the conduct of the parliamentary primary election, which would be made available to stakeholders. However, nomination forms will be available at the constituency party office for purchase, where Justin Kodria Frimpong, General Secretary, and also Ensa Eshas. The National Democratic Congress earlier said your man say they are saying say the best candidate names presenting a bebwa Boga Jachi Kwasin na Sansi Yanti said they have been called for court on criminal issues and also Yabehe baby aqua kudru and Senkaya and also so Edahu Anope. This is one of the topics and we have betting shared enough. Government needs to show commitment. Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association almost so and I can say we say ya bro ya better nurses for ya better pa a brand nurses for abreno omunim they are buying as a pet from hobium omunim they are buying a pet from hobium cra. Because Bibia yes Bibia is I know ho na I prefer say Josh your best correction near you ashim NC and so ene ana same cast ni na I think it should be a matter of consent to all of us. Anomu deactivate wow someone register bia it is obvious on so same no wa register na B cap no so aba ma menye na mo fan to screen so for omo hwe no obe dial star 400 hash or network na ogba na person say indeed what me na no me sheda ma Vodafone phone nya abotre kire kama omunya abotre kire mu kama pa na o dial star 400 hash na me dey say o sha over Facebook you see Sompa 98.9 beto sisi na ubehu se na esitie na afei de be mu on say indeed what me aya odie no ya je odie no atum no da bi odie ndi check balance na de be mu on say odie no ya je atum no bra Facebook anope ya na memfa encho enti MCR for you can put it on the screens for us na eba enti me dey say eba ousu Nkwantabisa na na kwambe ID type national card ID number and also na me ID number no eba ye na afei unique code no and also so ubehu unique code no na yes enti woda say ubehu say B cap no kyerɛ sɛ o biometric it has been captured enti ɛhɔ no B cap na hia me pa wo say beba yes monyi mfiri so na mjama de na mjama to so B cap ne beba yes anti me the new one be said Lucy say na where you so when B cap ne ba now say o afedie who so who ada honum na obetimi because me dem can say obi hu Ghana card number correct shouldn't be a problem because of fingerprint na unique to you alone but at the time because I'm surprised say edru baby a na the akan it looks like say you don't have obi new fingerprint obi new na obi so catch me say no pay say o kote koso kofo na agent fo no mo ye na obo do ya first one waka che so ama ya second ama o ya third ya say no so mtimi ton ama nkofo and if that is so then it is very bad if that is very very so na very very bad and also so obia wo unique code ti o kwa na afei why you free obetimi and so ayo there so na ko say no
no kwa me
say dey my
na me you worried kakra
Ghana dey be atimi but it shouldn't be a problem
anything
it shouldn't be a problem because one idea bank transaction one idea bibia transaction so someone seeing your Ghana card can you say my problem
but
because you don't have my B caps but they honey there
soft no
yeah honey there bibia atimi si okay na ko ba mentwum ram na menim se ayefo nso akasa occupy Ghana for nso akasa no pay ɛno nso ho but ma mentwum ra so far enkomo ayediem abronma
medase kwame mewura nkomo ni mu na machia minua shanton ya woton eche ewo zongo inside hon wodi kwachira station wona minua abdallah phobia nso anope me ma na chen mabusuafo ewo Sunyani nyina mpo mo kire emo apro no te se but kwame ma me nkan kire o se ye kone ye ba nyina no nipa ye sen edi ya brabo mu akotene pa obi anim tumi ye fefefe ofa ne ho kama but sa woni ne kasa na wote nka wo wanum a na sa wo vim akofo mama no se de na wusi pena se na wusi bunu no na ya wo se oye kenken kwa enti se bia esen no ma wo ha ba bia tu na agya wutipaye ye tu ye na agya wutipaye kaka ba mu na manka ba wanum ana sen bibi wo wanum a wani nye ho yesen enumu anyhow biaran me kamfo Oak Dental Clinic amount to na mo bra joda ekosime me danwumre no anopa no nwotwe ekopem anwumre no num me pa cho ye wo Sunyani abesim ode fa Jenny car ode wo from Mr. Entry ni car no main station ho a wo su wo besi wo Oak Dental Clinic ho anase ba bi ehwesen wo Jenny ho no anim ho a pa cho wo ba na ukra Oak Dental Clinic yeje ukra Apex Health Insurance, Ace Medical Insurance, Nationwide Medical Insurance, Gap Health Insurance, any Premier Health Insurance yeje jina so hwe osen no amount uwe chichi na ope bibia bi sa frɛ 0201 660 218 0201 660 218 na mobile phone deal enene ya betena na say ye betwitwa sim card mu wo mobile phone wo de mo ntontwene so ahu but still phone ye wo dia eti call Franco Trading Enterprise mobile phone nyina headquarters your television your printers ho na wo bekon mobile phone television printers ho aka de nyina nso ye ton bi phone no brand ne dawson wo de wo ba nya aboten akọ round na hwem na select the open na tua wo ka fofo kama Sunyani ye ne Franco Franco ene dano edi animation 0246 422 338 ebia na wonim Franco Juan fresa number we away ride and delivery ne enko deliver onko Franco ho na kwato wo mobile phone away ride and delivery nyame ya adom abofo qualify saying da premier be sha ase no wo yo ho free baabi beduru Sunyani am mesresa nka wutie we Facebook ne so a ube save sa number we ube do na wo fresen hotel be na menya dan he fa na Sompa fo ne wo he fa na yesi ye 2 zone 5G no enti away ride and delivery number no 0530 123 556 0530 123 556 so fran na waka chom se wo Sunyani baby a wotie na kwan wa wo bese ne mrantie no didwa ebron sandu sika ne wo momoni ani dwa mfa mawo o se minim krom hasan momfa mi chinchin na menhwe alias ye be ye ne sa mawo away ride and delivering o se let's go amama nkama sem na afri koko on to me trans nche no eye koko o trans ya na wo no eye koko wo yamatim makoko ntu yam tim asemfa mawo oposana ni hwe sede ama nani aye kokoasi afam koko nti kwame agya wo bia no mu kankan koko de enye yade pa obi aka to so koko nhye da nye yade aye ha ye ho sa o de won enti boru amozen green light cap herba na wusu herba na kwaji koko adro master friend 3A co capsules 3A co capsules wo de wo ka me pe 3A co capsules me pa cho friend 0247 260 220 and now 0546 107 107 na as back for that romanti ubedi di na wa fili très bien ubedi di afili bofo ubedi di afili esbaxios eye banku ni emutuo ni nkonkonte ni fried rice ni jollof rice ni anwa mo a eye esbag ye wo gudi echi hon to anamobra na bedi di fresh na wo didi wie na ehya wo so a na wo bawura garden herbal and organic shop hon wo du shop ho a mayema refined shea butter mayema moringa powder yema turmeric powder na kwa me wonhwe so ba bi awade emfie bebre na wo ne ma e wo bibi afa no osi akwan enti ma ne ho kane ni di nhie mu na nsuo na san aba se wo ko garden herbal and organic shop ho a ye the turmeric powder no ma wo di gu nsuo mu de na wonom ne san be bosomen osi akwan ni be firi ho na be ma ne wudi nhia mu a nsuo no ebe wura mu amadane ba na wo so wanya bi ahye wachi we ya purely organic product unim ekwan efa so nyini che ehwe apomudin yie no it should be the purely organic way gatin for ade a wo mo kire yen na wo mo yema yen su nie Sunyani ne ye wo area 4 ye ben top asori dino ye badwoda kosi memeda vato freyen e was 0200 905 936 0200 905 936 na kuzuni sing opasa wo ye sham Bra Kuzini House of Original Designer Perfumes. Dia wodi gu atade mu omotwe mu waso achi baby ye de watch ibo na ho ye hwam no ye ne ye mu champion wata na se uba diaper dia ye won kwada de se wuyi a de ye de pepa ne ho ene ye won panifon so diaper wo ho e ho ne ye Kuzuni Enterprise me pa cho Kuzuni sa convi baby wives convi baby diaper any convi adult diapers no yenkoa ne ye krade ba ne san so chechama so to nkuma bia ne sto akase bia nya bi eti Sunyani de Matt Roberts Prebet Supermarket Odujaz Mama Faustin Auntie ya stores ho nyina obenya bi ato Ghana fana ba bia nso ye ton bi na wo be pe bi dodo atu abra New Town na fre 0243 432 666 0243 432 666 na oni yakasana kwa mfa wentwa to na meni communicate we bi unim se Kulu Ghana Limited for ena wodi nu papa badwa so hwe oba wo hu ubu nsa no waya ase ka wodwen wo hu kani ni wudi nhyiamu a oso wo de wo nkeka wo hu wo da ho saa papa yasma me ka kire wo no hwe no anya bi on ko hia baba wa so no a wakọ hwehwe nkrofo video na so esuane ema na otwi papa yi sasakre papa yi ba na ne yire te ko pot ho ka ban ko se emiwura na de nka wo ya acho setena ha wo yamba na ekume no eti me mpese wo kunu beka akire wo se ababa wa bi atwini sasakre obetwi ne condemn enso so be ma yade oba da so o nom araba bazin tablet na nya hoden wo mpam na oba enso so moja ni afrinsa no wo honom be ma no be no Mr. Kill karamintie Mr. Kill eno de enya madrum pacho emema nko a na wo ho kwan se wo mo no Mr. Kill ma wo mo ye mamam prostate na ye kese prostate ne hawa bam e ma wuku nsuo toatoa so wuku nsuo no waya se wo dwe na wudua mu ya wo ja afa asefa ko boduam kafra wate menua bema pacho hunchu capsules na make come for among say no mi ensan hunchu capsules Mr. Kill any araba bazin tablet eye kunu Ghana for na ede ba yen ko ba bia ton aduro bia okwa no wajibi mozaine green light cap herba Mark Hubert obenya bi ato no wafre 0244 275 429 kwame Adea ba kon ye consent me tell just 1 minute SIM card registration ho asema ye kan memfo aso se ye betwam memfo aso se ye betwa obi SIM card mu in as much as say ye mu bia ya delay kakra ye nkonko register memfo aso se ye betwam se obi akwa akoto ne SIM card empo wa register ti oni o wa register ne SIM card kura de ne Ghana card ya Ghana card nipa mienu number nya kro tie ni ye Ghana card na ekura ye no meme number ne wo number enye kro da ebia de ye kro ye GHA ebia bono ha 71 na edikan na mom numbers ni nyina no entumi nya pepepe enso so obetumi de me Ghana card e register ne SIM card e ma wo dial *402*1# ya obehunu say number bia register with your Ghana card. How is that possible? Ebio se wukọ na wukọ akọ register wo SIM card ya anampokra no obia register ne SIM card ya nana ye twa wanimu ba wo de won sa toto wo mafidie ne so me ya capture won samba no wukọ kromati ne wo satia nan na aka ne nyina eno kire wo se wo bi use Ghana card kura de ye bibia oni ko na sese ye kire no efise ne nsa wo de si bibi so no ene wo de na ye capture nsonson ye wom ebio ma metwa adwemra de we so sen se wo bi efrodo mobile money wo ye ofrakadam no wo wia wusika ofra telcos no abeka kire wo se onipa na yi sika na free wallet ni mu nti no ye sorry ye ntumi nya ho hwe na mpacho wo SIM card na ma register the Ghana card ya register no fa so be na menya wo ho ye ntumi ntrezi kalabule ni no enchire no enu nti minnimu se obi awia minua bi 15,000 Ghana cedis.
Wow.
15,000 Ghana cedis. Ya yeni kalabule momo agent. Na kalabule ni no afa kwatre kwanya sa kwanso de abrewa bi ababe yeni frakadam 150 million. Ewo Sunyani kuro yimu. Na teko na ntumi amwa no retrieve sika no meanwhile wa register SIM card ni timpacho wo me am register ye no. Dia na hye me nkura sa me nko register. Emfa so be na menya wo so kira me na menti ase se ma register na enu nti obi aye obi frakadam na ya trezi akwa kire no because owo information and SIM card no dodo na register eni yetumi akwa kire na the on register e motivation de mano so nkonko register na the on register ye no ohunu say ya obi a register now so when yamfa so bia wo mu a what is the essence of the SIM card registration as far as these issues are me raise your concern na ma minja na to aso
na kuna nsa ochanyame aduma POS nso ne eye nkane abo okosoro
ba cho you
enti wo kwa akoto eye nkane ne bia mesrew ma makoto power no ochana dodo na abonso mbekwa kwa akeso mo kwa akosalai bebre na re be fi wo mo
ochina a new price
ochina new price aba wo mo nso na ya obeti me koto no first ya menya do entesa akra entesa eti o kwa akoto a na wahweni na nra na akwamanfo didi yu
papa
betway ebi so do mo se guo muti
wantwa ne yi
sa no mo se ebi se bon betme draw ebi se bon no 2 goals ne wom ebi so se 2 goals no so ba e kɔ de amabɔfo akwa
me twa 2 goals ye no
bona referee ji offside na nya off o
anka medi me twa 2 goals
man we hu ni
2 straight for bɔfo
owie na no no hu ne ho se boy de na ego na se nka meje
ye de agene yakoma mu
eti betwe mamanfo didiye edidiye na wo hwe ye hu Facebook or Sompa 98.9 na hu say yes me do fo pa nya akwa bra na mo temanimi ye ene ma me nchia ofa ya ofa me chia wo na akọ ti betwe fa ho bo no ate ubenye sika du agubutum ha ofa ya na kwame betu mama for di nra betu eni ni nua aviator na sa aviator de ne board de papa ne board de
e friend Samaya Lupri detu
I don't fa ho bo no
ye teacher for no be ba ne yebo
na teacher for say so mo bo
ye no ne yebo
ti mo ko
we si akatua kra no nte so nyina be ba akatua mu oh ye be hwenhwen ne ma bebre so oh kola no nyina ho ntanya ne simple santi avieta no na si ade tototo je ne no ni mokoni ntos ye de yebo sumi akatua oh avieta ne yebo aye aboy me bo tinti na me hu ya Samaya Lupri te ya fruit we
anti kwa me said na na osu duro hima nkwanta no mu yi pop ni sanema no kwa me no anya mienu nuku no abra me kwa probo no me duro na kwohwe ka pa bi so ne yi pop cement bi ene de ka ho a na me duna wosu mi ti sa ha ne ohima nkwanta omo wo niema kwa me omo wo niema pa
nkwanta ho nyoma ego enye
omo wo niema eno ntinu fa wo wo mo na pop cement a wo pe no onsa ebeka ni nyina bi ho ope pop fiber ne de ka ho ni nyina bi ho sanso no semfa nton se banden wire no nso no tutrumika ebra ewo fiapre wo hima nkwanta me da wo se ofuru ka bi ka kire driver no wo besi ewo ohima enkwanta esanse eho ene eye bia okwa benya pop ho nyama ni nyina bi na ba bia de konso de ka ba koyi de ama kama wa abra wo betu sika kuma bi wato ne ma ne dodo nso no na yahwe ateteto so na tumi aboa ma menkamfo Anatabo Ventures mfama sem wo mo WC ahudo ni nyina bi o makwakofa free eye China abrochimam de aba na watete won so se hwi sabi obi abanya bi ato sabi obi abanya bi da kogu ni shopum sa ofie na wasu banya WC na water closet no ni nyina bi ewo ho type bi apɛ no ebi ewo ho Sunyani New Town patro so ni babia eye PWD wo mo office no ewo no ho uduru no obisa sem patro hemfa ana Anatabo wo obi abɛkyerɛw ewo abrosano as from ewo 0553 288616 0553 288616 ofra obajo ofel so na onso watumi aboa se enrada ote Joyka Roofing Company wo mo nkomo mu bedi ya na yenkomo hwam komo papa no fa ho bom na ho betɔw fa ho bom na kotokre ka soro watumi aboa wo esan so me aduma ko bi mo boda so ma wa kye na ha bie no eba wo dan na eba bebo so no eno to Sunyani krodua medo ani kyerem se de okɔ eye ST runabout na ho pɛ wo nsani fa so aka kram na do bia Goy filling station ewo no wo mo dan ewo nsani fa so from 0551 009 000 and 0540 125 816 Joyka Roofing Company na make come from the amount Helis International School make come from the master for abanko Bible crack or say ntrama friend kwampire emfaso no nyina wo mo anyina wo de abofane ko school papa sabre abofane be wie no ana onyine no na adwene mo do no wahu de ono nso wo so otimi yede boa fie ne oman Ghana enuti wo de abofane ko sisia no school so den kwa ne Helis International School na so de omo ba omo akyerɛkyerɛfo ho o ma kwadawra de kyerem nya mesuro ne ntete pa ewo wo mo abotrɛkyerɛ mofra no ade na school mo so ye school bia nyamia ni no do ba no kwa wo ha bia nim enye school bia wo Sunyani krodam ha a school for ne bo akyerɛkyerɛfo nani wo mutimi kofa ba nom de abo akyerɛkyerɛfo nani pa atro wo mo ente saa wo mo de ne se wo de bra esan se wo mo pese mo friend die so no mo da akyeba mu ntino wo da bofra ne ba untu sika ntontwene ne disam se ye wo piano lessons so ewo ho and after school no so nya mianim ni wo ba moden akopiem ewo ho a ebeboa papa wo ba moden a ekopiem ewo ho a ebeboa pa ye wo de friend you UC mass so ewo ho ana library tutrumika na kofa ban kopiem Helis International School na school no esan se school papa na gidi no obono ne mpatam ene Sunyani krodua menti patro mo Tropical Hotel akire ho a Tropical Hotel akire ho aka krabia na se Jubi Park no ho no hope na wo mo from 0241 587 644 na 0559 580 873 ofra wo mo ebejo fel so na watumi aboa ma menka from as school ba konso kwame wo de oba ne come Friday no na do mo company fo so do wi a na ko school papa esan say ID college na mede eto anim wo se de bra of deck no Adea classes ekoso atese wo kwa kotwere bia on beboa papa o tren so ho bi e ma ye twam a wo so de bomoden a ebra be piem ho o me classes nso e de ma mofra na womo abafie a omunya mie school nyame adoma jumbu sum no bebie no fa aba ne kobi no bie school a na okwa na adwenem no ubonse eda ho fan de be chire bia na de bebisa no na abofra so ka abra me kwa classes ewo ID college no womo etimi boam womo sade suanse wa abra no so abo apon semadiasa ekopem anwumre no 9 sanso na weekend classes nso koso ana eye evening classes nso ekoso school ni hostess sanso ye boarding eye dia obomode akopema won be bakwa me koso so hodo ni nyina no womo extra bi ewo eye ID college for headmaster 0246 133 and 0243 011435 ofra obejo first nana emamena said dem nika ko tuna PULC for toton kania eni nso bo nimti no enti ukotobia na wa hye ne nso enya bo na ukoto ne ne no wo chena ebekosoro e di amount
merasi.
Darling.
Yes, sweetheart.
Obi bought doorbell no. Mama question no.
All right, sweetheart.
Hey, very good you.
Hey, I'm okay. Madam boy.
What on for me no na she dan mu ho. E free so we cheer Mr. Kiwa. Na ho odi yan bomo gina ne nice way. Jai. Enya girl.
Kokonsa Mr. Kiwa man no gina me nice way. Wo madam fi kura no fie. Wo bro ne fila. Ne mo na nansem ho me bana modi ntokwa ne emu na nketeketi.
Sabre no. Na on sha same farm Mr. Kill.
Mr. Kill, at me stress so. And the most important one is like my wife is saying. But you say, remember what you fear doing what trade cro. Sompa, Mr. Kill, our pharmacist, herb and chemical shops.
To phone phrase 0244275429, 0244275429, and as 0206271016, 0206271016. Fra huma yisuna do bia ope bia emfama be a tone do bia anso eben. Announce ko pharmaceutical shop bia ben wo for the show na Jordan.
FDA aje edweden krato yato.
This place that I know where the pride of the island shows every face.
Onipa biara owo apomuden pa ewo ne se ho no ewo ahotoso kese wei inti na Oak Dental Clinic ene wona nim difo di dwumadie bi ti se wo hohoro se ho wo pese wo pause ne ho wo se na tu wo pese wo hye ye filling ye braces ene ese ho dwumadie biara Oak Dental Clinic apono abue efijuoda ekosi memenda abra abono woche na yapon no num pepepe yen asoye ewo abesim ye ni Jenny Guest House ene di hwe ni mu wo betumi afre yen ewo 020-166-0218 Oak Dental Clinic Yeji Insurance BTC Apex Health Insurance Ace Medical Insurance Nationwide Medical Insurance Gab Health Insurance any Premier Health Insurance Oak Dental Clinic Siwon Kwande nyina.
You are my heart, you are my soul.
My name is Emil K. My son just passed his VASE exams with distinction from Ideal College. Wow! Thank you, Ideal College. Sementia Ideal College.
Sunana Abdurazak, Diana Yazana exams daga ID College. Ya pass. Wow! ID College. Basu da Sara.
Achomi Pajo, mene muumbi e pasi wasi exam say Ideal College. Oh, Ideal College. Ina nyepu, mindanyeshi.
Mon nom est
Alpha.
Mio figlio ha passato son VASE examen con successo del Ideal College. Wow! Merci beaucoup, Ideal College.
Sawatia Dansia, Aufo ye dear fi Ideal College home. Mfinshie dunia chia Ideal College eba bunu maimi. Omuni obi ehia moda.
Wo dwene ho se wo beko SHS. Na course obey na opese wo ye. General Arts, Business, General Science, Visual Arts, and Home Economics. Enya bra Ideal College na ye ne teacher fo a wonim de na wosanso ye waye examiners no. Ema wonte yesrum kokra.
Your 2 departments wasi and remedial. Your wasi center asuku for no. Omotwa wasi nsohwe no. O yesuku wa. Wo dwene ho se obeba Ideal College. Oni Sunyani kodem ha. Your boarding and hostel facilities. Emma. Ideal College. How can you feel?
Dream big, as big as the ocean.
Me dear na koso wa fun akwa we mimfudie se from nyesu abadro ni si we
you
na Nitigini ye.
Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Egu ahodo osen.
Mienu.
Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Ena Suaba plus organic liquid fertilizer. Wa huntu awe. Netino eye green ahaba mono. Suaba plus organic liquid fertilizer. Ena yaye ni green no. Ejuma kronwa. Kokonwa so bi ewo dwaso. Ni nyina eye Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Wo mu product ni bia. Na ahaba mono no green no ena omo de afa netine ho. Na nsakraya aba ne se Suaba organic liquid fertilizer no. Se de ye mu netine mienu yew. Ye bu baako etimi ye adwuma kro no a. Se wunim Suaba organic liquid fertilizer no. Ye de bo vegetables, enkunuma, carrot, cucumber, entos, ene nasefo. Na Suaba plus organic liquid fertilizer no. Eye tree crops, cashew, cocoa, mango, ene nasefo. Ene 150 mls. Ene so adwuma kro no a. Ebo no bae no ho ban free inyarewo ebewuram. Na no bae no anyini from so. Eye natural. Opac view. Eye company no. Ene ye Suaba organic liquid fertilizer. Na Ghana ha, baby amoton agrochemicals bia no. Ubenye bia to. Na brafo ha, main office. Ewo Sunyani, Kotokrom, aviation kwan no. Oko ya huma. Onsani fa pe. Abrosana edikan no. Ehwa. Dodo bia wo petu aton. Koho. Frewamo 02411800020 ana 05967387223. Mofa EPA Laboratory Crop Science Department KNUST for Edano Aje Suaba organic liquid fertilizer atum.
All right, so Padre Dodai, Sakodi Atnas represented the New Patriotic Party, NPP, Sansona, Area Banso, so Atnasi, Anyaba, Naba. Now, why would Udin cry the day they be now go far with the back out? Nidi Uncle Sanka, Abdullah name the pa. Na Bansu di mood, a legendary. Na I don't pay my chain, Naba.
Yeah, Muso dini mudro na Nkwantabisa.
Right. Mo drupa. Papa obusa me no ka say me radio di na me so mpacho de.
Nyangopa Darman na ba me ho ye. Sabi Nyankopon ama ya hoden a ya ba betena studio sanopai. Ebe fa sa kunya nso ne achia Sompa atiefo anopai omo Facebook live and omo tie on air echi omo nyina. NDC as a political party said the bia me kan no ye boy ho moden ase mpinifo ba omabu se ba eche wodema no CC ne ho ye CC ho make sure say going into 2024 elections Samre yatimi ayi a parliamentary candidate so far over 98% of your members of parliament do moko 2016 election 2024 elections no ya ye ni na available ana ye presidential candidate so ono so ya ye ono so ho adwuma Samre former president John Dramani Mahama ya to abanso de yi no nti ye boaboa ye ho ye sure se ba bia kroyi ana o man Ghana ba bia ya duru sisi ano nsesan na eye eminent no o se Ghana fo boa na eden etimi ba gidie ni arehemu ya Ghana fo nya de man na adodan kwakufu ado in 2016 yeah they had close to 1 million vote margin against the opponent I mean NDC in the political party no sa arehemu na Ghana fo nya de ma ban we no Samre ni na dash out asakra nti sa arehemu no ye betre timamufo nyina say ohwe nneoma na former president John Dramani Mahama ye ya yenuan MPP fo anhu eso mfaso eso dache ya ebeba kroyi so na nso omode kodwama so kokodi ntro bebrede to John Dramani Mahama so at the end of the day ye to obaditi ano no ene ya suo nsuo aso ansa ne hu say indeed John Dramani Mahama we obi a wo se ade a we de oyo enya de say obeba be dada ye on fa policies just to win elections ye to oba na policies na ye de anwe ne say those policies Mahama entertain me ka de aba be si ya NS training allowance Mahama nkobiti makwaji loan e de aba be tua NS training allowance e de win election kubiti makwaji loan e de aba be tua teacher training allowance e de aba be win elections nanka at the end of the day on na we de okodo on na ekro no but ofili say and I'm point to juma bia e was ye de matimamufo no e was say so mfaso no ye hu say I mean it is justified not just because the people are calling for something so what the more money say justified they don't necessarily have to do it nyim le bia na popular decision have to see the day of flight decisions be on my popular but at the end of the day so mfaso no timamufo nyina ye den ye be hu bi say timamufo nsama mbeka nyina na woso wo yede mo pepepe te se do mo pen na ya hwani akure ba bekwa kudu ba bia enye den MY so John Dramani Mahama is coming back na the executives within the Ahafo region your boy home what say you be contribute largely to the success of John Dramani Mahama is coming back
okay
nti Ahafo Tano North Tano South Asitifi North and South Sunafo North and South executives in as your deputy regional treasurer and na mo bia ebetu resources bia e be gada na de be mamu am betim dia ye adwuma na at the end of the day yetim secure those seats no ni aboa increase the votes in the Ahafo region ye be ye no so when you come to the Bono region already the records are there MPP for Kromusuro say ye go into 2020 elections no be say ye one seat cry ye banda seat no be je friends so at the end of the day sabeji omo de 5 e kan ye de ho no it tells them who say yes they are up to I mean to face a battler anodene nti honorable Kojuna Mechamafo oye Bono regional chairman for the NDC Obojuma
thank you very much sir how you marching
okay yesu cry
marching yesu cry now also to say
me ho ye pa so ne de bia me ka no say ye da sori na say ye hu say ye nya nkwa na ye sanso wa pomudin papa ye de aseda manyankopon there is a saying that sleep is a cousin of death nti say oda you don't really know whether you are dead or you are still alive but until God restores life back into you no and ama who say onyankwa aye sanso wa hodin dia moja so da ketemada bodwuma moja die mu afusa ne o say dia aseda manyame em say enano pay we have a bright morning media aseda kese ebema the able chairman Kwamba Fabronyo da regional executive committee no machiame regional secretary chief Kofi Ofosubuatin and I'm a regional director of communication Gabi share communication team for ne Isia College so me say it was better that he did not start the issues with their usual propaganda so kabibisa na say futuro no was started to Ghana for you can say New Patriotic Party
ɛyɛ mfuturo ne atorɔsɛm na sɛdeɛ yɛtugu mu ɛwɔ Ghana ma obiara ɛhome bi nya ho kata ɛma yɛkɔto ababɔne ɛde ti John Dramani Mahama. But we also know that on record, John Dramani Mahama, former president, ono kwa na the individual gina simpie so ka kire say he say we ase afa na nyina no say okọ elections a ne aba anase fene aba ne say o ka no kure kakra no adi tro kakra from enti no enti NDC mum ana omo tena se ye omo adwen say ombe ekekere agenda bi e friend say ka no kure kakra bi ne fa atro kese tareto say na be ya eno no be ma Ghana for be lose that confidence they had in the new patriotic party. And the ma apathy kakra set in Ashanti region, for instance, Emma who say more than about 200 or so thousand people didn't go to vote in that election. Then also we also know say many of our secondary schools in Nkrani Bebreye registration, most of them at that time were on vacations, and to omu register in the various towns where their schools were. And into Manipani Bebreye man kwan koto aba no. And now Nkrani so wa regimu kesti o free SHS. And this all better now because John Dramani Mahama is the only option for the NDC, because there's a saying that one-eyed man is king in the kingdom of the blind. And in the NDC kuno, omo ya madwene say omo system no a free omo national elections omo koye TDE omo national executive. Only John Dramani Mahama now out of the people who wanted to contest for flag bearership, of which was very unfair and biased. But they built a party around him because party yet around individuals. And this MPP tradition, they beam more be a. Now what we will be doing come 2024, they say, new patriotic party. Sanya John Dramani Mahama catch Ghana for say on kind of crack a canon for Toronto. Yenya ho antidote eba be decode. Na eno sa election o maka say boot for boot, but eno na a boot for Chalwati because you know say she combat na this Charlie. Na sa elections no. Eye apathy kakra ene mentimo wansi kakra bia ekoko osoma yenya wa winim seke yenya independent candidates eme ebi mo so agenda omo hwepe in no for their own parochial interest yenya yehu de sa particular parliament we say aye to squeeze the neck of government as the MPP ni bia sakra am obi aye na dwene say we are one family so we will forge forward the sana na aba mo so omo bebo apro a orso ogina nam so a regional executive into no all on authority emo no. We are also speaking on authority as communication team members. Say, Akwa Pro, our party in rank and files. And ye say, come 2024. It is going to be a boot for Chalwati.
Thank you very much. Obviously, many more quick opinion on before Akwa to Premier. Timam just say, and free Nabao.
Okay, I think say on this note, no.
And you better test your VR sports ability.
On this note, no. You better say Kunya we so na before supporters and had the club, Bono, Sunyani in particular. I was here congratulating you. Me di footballer chikakra, but nyoma ba ku bi na esi me kwan. In fact, at the senior high school, Doma senior high school, na me run commentary cry ye bo ye inter school inter houses na me run commentary. But Adea yi me free football mu ye Ghana ye match against Uruguay ye kobo no South Africa. Sa match no. In fact, nkenya ne say etiesi anka woni me di nkomo nkasa me kran kama wu. Me di as a student leader me di students ani me yekokoto flat screen. Then time kran na flat screen baba market so yekoto bi ba be board do match ye dane ho say de be hwe match. Nti as a school prefect ya me call nka me no ordinary kran ka hu mi odane ho an entertainment center no. Soccer nti me call ho no mo kokko hwe bi. Ghana start leading match no chese mani agisa ama mata de kra na afọ. Na me say ja me call dormitory akwese me ho aba. Akwantimfi ana change over near the start by etigu mi so te sa wo nti like makoma minim se broken heart bi kra duru sa se ba te wakoma e duru sa I don't even know nti from hon na ema o say bema bia nu ya so betima aka se unya broken heart kakra da your levels nyabotre me jiwe hu achi your levels nti se unya bia eno nya issue dem ba try say nyabotre obi de shewa obi de nisa guniti obi so gina ho no osu gunu mu levels how the thing affect you and the better how you react
you are talking
stop
from
being mischievous senior man
me just say you are talking from experience
no
that
problem.
Is good
It's all right into football there the papa and I'm happy say Abia Stars qualified by Premiership na me odoma hinkro and I enjoyed it. The same way last year in Stretcher so win about Premiership and also so na me wa hasini Yankopa Daroma bofo akwanso den aba. De beka nyina ne se Yankopon hira omo a se bi omu omusi omutekuni sempoa. E de boa team no because to go into this I mean the final playoff way no na nya de ketwa information yi mu bi kuta no. Among for Sika, they have to invest to be making sure say genuinely Bofuaka can come back to the Premiership. And yeah, so the likes of Ben Cluvy, no more Kenya, one more radio, so echo converse for support, or more radio, so Yensha than two Mudi, or Mudomosono, Mokaka, the support here, and man, the Bofuaka, Sisia, the next Premiership season, ye better Premiership, Sunya has say, yeah, no crown, so Ebe Boyama, Sebi. Mpunti juma bia na because of say na ye ni Premiership club e wo Sunya ha say no mpinifo so be den e betime tu ho na mo ye. I'm talking about the Coronation Park. If it is the Coronation Park and omuntimi nye den upgrade na they should find a better place omonko pay asase foforo no nye den minim say the MP for the area honorable me akere me e kan asem bi fa the development of the stadium in Sunyani here amamfo ni nye ho, so I wouldn't want to repeat that, but then the American United says sisi abofo akwa Abia the flag bearer in terms of Premiership or the regional capital means Sunyani no. It begs for the cause it was the people in power omo to me betimi aboamenya a befitting stadium for Sunyani as a regional capital no omuntu hu anamo. Now for the boys there I just salute them. Na nra me ball ya bo no nkran yeah results ni na ya declare no nkran nanso ba Sunyani important ha se wo hwe anigye ne ahweka timamufuo. It's as if say obi papa bi kra business bi na wa win jackpot. Everybody wanted to feel associated with the success or the victory of Bofuakwa, and I think Adea ye nyina ye ye ni beje ho ne be sere say they should seek for more funding. And be seek for more funding na more to say seke mo ne sa akode no ma mo bibi de da ho no sabi be willing to support them.
Also be willing to support you. As I got here, my memory so.
Okay. I'm say asana make a football na sem no. Mesra waka asem kitwa we.
Okay.
I'm say enra yete asempa eye bono. E wo bofo akwade no. Na yansa nso anti asempa in the whole nation. I'm say nipa 16 na mo parish here e wo Cape Coast Road no so.
Very sad.
The New Patriotic Party bono region ha. Ye ma sa nipakuo ya wi nyina busua yakọ ene Ghana fo nyina. I think it was a very sad incident. And I know say me nua na aba betan say we na aba furugu ehye ni say ya unkura 1000 Ghana menya sure say be ma biato nti onu mum na bibi wo no ho I was say bofo akwafo every fans ono ko no kwaginem. Now what I see is that it was a road safety commission for no omo ya up and doing the police in a way of ensuring say there's discipline na we ya kwan no so wonam kwan so a indiscipline na wo kwan so no say kem say edoso no enti no yenhwe na saa niema no yenhwe ne yehu kwan e befa so a yebetima ma discipline aba kwan no so na in a way as humans near there yebetima aye to mitigate the causes of accidents no. Some of it becomes somehow untimi nya ho I say a tumpo film and no na e what there preventable. That one will be able to mitigate it. Bofakwade no em say me maame efri Sunyani tano so enti me matrilineal side enti tano bofakwade ye de na we mujam send me sanso ye blue blooded Chelsea enti bofakwa no edamakoma so pa me ka na no de ye brichi bi bo me me na ba ku firim e ma na ye ho ntoto ye ja abusua krache me ko pie ma me kurom na ye wo ho no din koma na Dr. Anto me senior cousin no a wo A&E hospital. Dr. Anto de Bofakwa team no eba tano so sa amre no mo ba be hie mpanifo wo tano so. That is where the spirit of the party is centered, of the club is centered inti na so mo ba no beje blessing na mo ya mamre bia so mo ye bia and me bo Dr. Anto abaso pa e wo kwan of so selflessly or then ho ma Bofakwa team no and na not park and I ask myself, this is a very renowned doctor and specialist e wo kuruma ye nyina nim ne competence na obegja adwuma no ho no na obesan so akọ no na ma mi hu say ja bende nipa ho adwuma so he does it alongside na fe so mi ankasa mi 2 MPs honorable Ignatius Bafo awua ene honorable Kwasi Ami Akyere me omo so omo cash and kind a omo de donate dem a Bofakwa ma omo presence nso me ne papa Kwasi Ami adi nkomo dan no ka say e wo say ochena no utimi ko no ko hebo for akwa match ni bi, and I was very happy. And indeed me hu no say osan so te one honorable Ignatius Bafo awua, and I think say Sunyama ni so na nansen no de aba kurom ha no mama mani age ne say akwa ese say in Ghana for no ya start enya a spirit of unison bi a say ekoba say ye wo Sunya ha say so team bi free ha na say okwa ya ade a ye nye ne say sa backstabbing name ne ye twetwa 19 ne sa anema. Now all the teams even rally their support to support or no, and it is because they have learned lessons. For instance, because to Ashanti region, no other places are Tembiana or Abebubia, Ayaka, so be part Yakotokwa in Nabro. Until the Sohia send the Tembiana teams in other regions or Mokwa a bomb, which is at the now so Hanum dear. Now quite a bomb mafia, getting Kitibi the Titi or now her send a winning square. Yeah, I think say Adea Bebo Bromena Abaso. I was sa Miami Nia Benkuluvi. I'm say Menino Ujina the opposing side, but on the level of self football and the commitment towards Bofakwano, Metina say radio stations we say na ene my Bob and Kluvia Basso say Mete pa was sports or more across the country, Mete no say or your calls in support of Bofakwa. We me bona basso. See a real program na sira quality for Framo Mommy.
Madase. Yen fi another social issue back na yen kwenim. Sako the NCA finally and a deadline for all of us omo register omo sim.
Oh, of course. Some card as a media again. Say I can't. Baby Drew, you know. I don't think he says he's saying a Drew say there was here answer to us a debate this should be. A idea some card no. So register with summer. And everybody who matters in your political dispensation, your social life, wherever. Obia or matter in society bia sebio office or fan near serious bia no na odwen nkankro ho bia no I register the same. I just say bia obi o ho no ma na bia register the same no na bia register halfway bia antman complete na somehow na bina feel so ntini bia ya send the message bi say o so keka no, and then you know say Ghana for the suma last days ntini na anya hwe no last days sa na de empty office beboma Vodafone secures beba. It is usual of us. Internet the ebe can say Sagana for your pepasi be register Simpson and empesi lose your Simpson. It is better we do it. Obi on more I dream be say SIM card no so omo blocking the crowd besa pay for. Oh you pay for still besa register. So it is better say the winimo be anima or your transactions are you nim no. Try and then go and register it. I know say cause you chase and say we won't die. Say yebe so fra nti ehun hia se yebe twene sere ne abasa ye futuo ne se de magana no bi akoye ne de
nana me da say me I have a point of departure in the whole issue of say the deadline at the registration and so I agree into to with the fact that I was say obia na SIM card ye linking with the Ghana card at the end of the day ye pewa ye nimba bi awo ye nim ye betima link o buy you information with the number you are using. It is good. But the aspect I mean the implementers of this initiative say some of the timelines are to say within a particular date what won't mean yes no ye travel number mu look Bank of Ghana at the directive we ba beto abontene Bank of Ghana so be the directive we ba beto abontene say wo bank na say one file Ghana card am kwa you can't do any transaction. It is still open until any time bia you present yourself in the bank. The request for the card, say new one they will tell you the next time when you are coming, bring it. And so you have more information to bring the card. Timelines via NASO. As we see today, timelines via NASO. Anytime you go to the bank, you have that opportunity to present it. And to me, for us to have accepted, say Nippon register in Ghana, or link in the Ghana card with the same card, there are a lot of things. It could be, say, maybe the telcos who are definitely going to be at the losing side. Because me ucha SIM card more, even though I may not have access to the SIM card again. But also Abia service and can SIM never running and Abia some fashion. You too, you will not get as a customer base in Aye de Ulusu. And then the second point is that we are in a country where the processes to even get this registration done no. And yet easy. It is not that easy for everybody. You see, sometimes when we are talking, we talk as if everywhere is an urban area. Until you open MTN shopper, you just walk up and you get somebody. Go to my village, betray Kodja de Krum. You have to pay in and out from betray to Goso. In and out, you have to pay 50 cedis. How many people will be willing to do that? Until when the service is not all that available to the people at the doorstep of their homes, and the kwasi man ye chinchinachi. Allow the process to be like so. If you grant anytime you will come, you have the opportunity that you go. But just say froka. If you know how people in the no. Why shut down froka and free gram mokrum so babetosim or babe ye bibi no to the can. So you can't just say nipanam froka mokrum just to come and register the same.
Period at the mines and what?
So, President, why won't you? No, okay. My take is that my solution is why won't the telcos present that opportunities to the people in the rural communities? Okay. Because I'm telling you, as I'm saying, in your beer never froka just because of person, then the person will look. There is a situation. This is not like hearsay. Me, I've been a witness to it. There's a particular teacher in a very remote area. I don't know how he does it, but Ojo number now. No about registration in the amount. I don't know how he's doing it. No, I do 20 cities. You see, I don't know being a man now. Kofi Adoma when he spotted that challenge. They say Ebimo are trying to register more numbers to a particular Ghana card. Any numbers and there. And so to avoid some of these things in the media, I don't believe in that 30th June deadline. I'm not for it.
All right.
I'm for everybody must link their Ghana card to their SIM card, but I'm not for the deadlines.
May I say? There's no need to argument. Yanko I say no.
Let's also argue.
Okay, fine.
All right.
The only thing I just want to intervene here is that on says banker, the process is still ongoing in banker. The banking sector process is quite different from the telcos one. Banking sector, Abia, if we last year, Bank of Ghana, share banks, any the other financial institutions, and they say Abia mandatory. That the law has been implemented. Intino, wow, or customer and Ghana card and may replace the voter ID card. Those accounts are dormant. So when you go to the bank and as at now, when you measure your Ghana card with your account, it is assumed they said the account is dormant. So when you go there, they will request for the card, send the buyer among the best side a B account to no mama. And that's the only difference. But the telcos telcos one. The thing is that if the banks are making your account dormant, the telcos will also make that number dormant, so that you have to go and complete the registration process before they open that SIM for you. So Mihuni said there are no differences in here about. The only thing is that it has been more than 1 year. I started cancer same way. Last year, said deadline, I think August or September. The minister extended it. This year, also called June. Still, we are talking about this issue. Service will be well crazy. Nasi untimi enyaka sika emfa makuru me register the same kind fa nye no call. Na any so will be more opportunity sebra and can bear passport na yen fa nko Germany and so be ka so betina kura. So again now busa about Asenof no em say ye de shede laba. Ghana de mra na ye adwuma. Uhuma na anu de ye ti say Supreme Court order Parliament say Parliament expunged the name of the then NDCMP in free occupancy or Parliament, and Parliament and so head of clerk and so actually I think I said yesterday or 3 days today, and so yes 29 3 days today, and so electoral commission say Supreme Court asema odeba yini omonso so can the actually say that seat is vacant now until for an electoral commission for intake queue from that communique no one's also ready as or more per the laws that electoral commission for omudi hunjuma until so as a party I also believe say the electoral commission as a constitutional body then I can't organize elections or saying no yeah they are ready that already the party machinery I am not going to say a baby move new patriotic party in so by election. The only thing is say the current administration about to say ananwa de bi na ye wo position e ko by elections ana nyasem keto unya party executive national executive to tutu gu wiem that time former chairman Portofimo tutu gu wiem aso enen ye ko by election a emu ye free o he na no de ko kumawu say obi am obi a even to the extent that most of the key NDC faithfuls ni dia no mo ho omni MPP from panifo ni bebi ko twa back with the bom no mu wi na ba radio so abeka ni say hu bi because na when you have to and I say no of one already. Vima new patriotic party the as I say no for no. I'm saying easy. na nano de na asemeti bibi sem to hwe ndisi for no nya ombe question Mr. Question I ombe yi na ma fi say omahu say sene ombe yi na ma fi say they are thinking of probably filing a new person. I don't know as at now there, but it is because you see if enya no kra then they need to begin to do that self introspection because you see there are legal implications. One, we had the Musa Kendi issue in 2012. Adamu Sakandi Ejeli, who orchestrated the whole suit against Adamu Sakandi. Yenina in some Mama Yarega, and an Adam who no sponsor and a man, and everybody knows this particular issue. I did that a precedent. I don't know. But you only man Abani and Anaba. I say, Send an Abaka say Miss Kawaman. No, Nima, Miss Manchester, who say the butter carry no to me Tommy Machete bedtime. And this is an Abana Winman and a catch. Say, Adamu Sakandi Assembly, the acquire and say Adamu Sakandi was subsequently jailed. You know, the point of the matter is that when you go into the constitution, wouldn't mean that double allegiance to the nation. Our laws doesn't permit that. In other jurisdictions, we follow common law. No, ebimu may adapt to such a but here, where we follow common law, no, we do not subscribe to double allegiance. Say I was at any point in time, a member of parliament and as a president, I was say with me, say Ghana mine. Would you not see Sukase? That should be a cobase yimumi noa. Baby, ufi say, a man you know, Ube back with him, Nafia Ghana. Ne nona, Mr. Quasi, and Timmy, South processes. No, it is the same what we are. It still doesn't zero the point to say at that time, no, it was a crime because you're real civil matter. No, I am my seat now vacant. But
the criminal aspect was not indicated.
No, but that is why I'm saying that. That issue can be looked onto Adamu Sakandi the near two, a vacant near call by election. Mama Yanarini and Amboa. And a criminal aspect and also course in the DJ. What you say? And he eventually became sick and all of that. By it is to say when I cano, you real civil matter. And I know that there is indication say I have Tony General Bede ever press on the criminal aspect. And you name a precedent down. So I don't think I was saying this for Tanasi. Now,
thank you very much. Ode responded to make at you, Mamimran Naba. Naba.
Nana, I seriously don't understand. Mini by you free back. Mini by you free back. See, to a Jim question. Is he holding dual allegiance? No. It's an emphatic no. In fact, that aspect in Bucharest, I even want the electoral commission to be charged on certain things. Electoral commission, I'm going to supervise even your parliamentary elections. Electoral commission supervises your parliamentary elections. After that one, the main general elections, the electoral commission supervises that one as well. And in that one, say internal one, maybe electoral commission who documents are. The general elections, the electoral commission scrutinizes every document. And so if electoral commission Emma approve as a nipa asimasi and also bentin, you should go and contest on the ticket of a political party.
I want to tell you, but what kind of party one no supervisor? What role does
no. And I make
supervision. Wait, does it have a legal implications? So, or bet you say the more party.
See, maybe you don't understand what I mean. The me patron say the party one need a supervision into document scrutinization. They may not be in the position to do so, but the general election. About the general election, you have to file documents as well. Into go filing a document as a member of parliament to contest as a member of parliament for the constituency. No, the electoral commission by law were supposed to go through every bit of document. Into identity no man scrutinize young who say what did they ask the right questions. I don't be the may be to say what has happened to James Jat. Yes, because it's a constitutional body, and as part of your duty, you are supposed to dot all the I's and the T's. Into some maybe filing me documents. That's the one who say along the line, I've ever sworn allegiance to a particular country before. Investigation ben now what due diligence did the electoral commission do? Yeah, or pass the person to go through and contest. And so even if the party erred by allowing somebody to contest, Abrania in him say he was holding some allegiance, and Bukra I stand to be corrected because as we see today, the documents we have doesn't show that even the time I know of filing, now he was still holding allegiance to any different country aside Ghana.
But so the filing requirements in the back.
Yes, so what I'm saying, just be with me. Say, electoral commission has a role to play. Electoral commission has a role to play to make sure that whoever is contesting for a position on a political party, take it, is able to meet all the criteria. All the checkbox are checked. All the diligence is done. Because Adea, of course, yes, is here for the past years, the people of Asinov don't have a representation in parliament. Why not bet him to blame Nabo no more than the electoral commission? Because as for we the party at the party level there, Obi petition party and when James Jati question presented himself to represent the party in the 2020 elections. Obi petition here, and we went behind the scenes. Yeah, investigation it was okay. He had done everything and then here was all yeah, denouncing his allegiance to the Canadian government. Why yes had you na? And so say party be abano mu feel say among members of parliament in parliament no eswa. So amufa kwa bi sunyo obi adi. Na electoral commission can also stand on their feet and defend the same person omo na man kwan so onko contest election na. Then that becomes very worrying. Very, very worrying. Nti we in the NDC we are certain that the people of Asinov, whoever represent the party, either say James Jachikwe in the Beko, different person in the Bebo, we are going to take the seat. The seat is for us. And yet, sa na anu ya mampamrika mudi Amerika. Akwa do on project bia. Mwankasa, some of that so da mun nan so hu da yo. All of a sudden, motime hunyansa say was some kway those projects no, you see they when you no masa asebi wa okay. Okay, tell me which aspect of this statement is an insult. You tell me. That statement we by the cry. No. So if I had used English, what would you have said? If I said they have grown to understand that the people needed those projects, what would you have said? Understand you can't say nyanza. No, but when you grow and what in your maybe as say, after they go the make no, that means previously they were senseless. And I'm because language. You see some of these things. I don't think you have to. You are no. I'm trying to correct you. Say language may be a mistake or language. We all learn language. But you are just making a mountain mode out of nothing because me as way quite don't do that. Don't do that, please. Say about say facts been account. You can contest and I say you can show your grievance and all that. But where language? I don't begrudge you. We all learn from language. Yeah, kasa yenina issue. But you are making a statement, may say it is an account language and it's not good for you to use on this medium. I mean, what did I say? What did I say? What did I say? No, may say so. Becca says they say the more nyansa. So previously, I mean the word nyansa now should take it out. So now you have learned sense. So what nyansa? I will like I can't tell you this. Definitely, please. Okay, now respect. The word nyensa in the yefrio. I've taken the word out. I apologize for that. I've taken the word nyensa yefrio. But so the moment we say among for him puntu juma. Nti sembe kwa yes am puntu juma ndi amon mo a. Esemora nti se by elections na ama by elections ama to say the court ama order say nipa simasi mo hold ni self as a member of parliament. Dia nka nkofo no nka mo nkonko yem puntu juma bia o mo. And so I believe timamufo no war that enclave na nkasa. They have seen the contribution of the party, the NDC in the area. You were James Jachi question even before he became a parliamentary candidate or by a member of parliament. And it's even Supreme Court that about no swinano or cost what in Puntujuma then. Echo, and me assure say it is not because of say the by elections in a ban Puntujuma Bakumi and Sebia Modecono and a win. Everybody knows the reason why you are doing. Thank you very much. Number 05439999 0 million number 02479999. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Honorable Seke.
Koresko has a career of payment.
Oh, that's it. Chanaba Abia Emma. Ninja incoming education. Honorable Seke Mubara. Isaman, Kepadi Chaman. Let me check the man, Mama. Incoming president for your trauma. And before, and the movie she could make it. I did harass it. Echa, don't force me to say. Yeah, for my NDC. As I said, not for a moment. A bomb service. I can't cool. A bunch of group, I'm more time, I'm more in your corner, I'm more funny way, Robert Jackson and say, let my MP, who's I couldn't go to him. But he could make it 25, then you could make I teach you one people. I'm a real MP, maybe a rock say, if you could make the son of one. If you do my time, I'm going to say, yes, this year I got a ball. And you can mind before, but I'm more food and then I'm a drink and one. I chat, we say, oh, yeah, I think I'm going to go to the hall. Check it. I'm going to go to the hall. One for 7 years, wouldn't you know, and they buy a lot of which is about. I didn't know what to do. Parliament, don't look at the on the party, no more never get to her. Who meant to buy any service at 900 parliament. I don't know what to do. Only a man, therefore, only they say it, only for a moment, I mean, that's one to tell how much of our name is. All
right, Medasi. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Seke.
Yes, my boss, Master.
Seke, only Masaru ni.
Masari.
Seke, Seke kasa se ya, ofati beda di kunim. Ye ko twa ba, ni ko beda twa ba ma ofati. Be kasa kire Ghana fo ne huze, we na me party ba be ama Ghana fo a, o ba ya didi atem na obi didi Ghana fatem. Seke, ba menchia the party, the Great Elephant Party. Menchia me penyi fo nyina me MP fo mienu. Ona bu ba fo wi ani, ona bu akwati am ya. Penyi fo ma bo mu modin, ama bo fo akwata no. Ne yetiwanya premier e wo Sunyani Coronation Park. Ni jisema minu mienu nyina. Na yembo mama so. Ne ka se nesia ba for soka academy so beba. Seke Supreme Court judges for no more hono. Omunye before, and omunye before. Ayemra and omudi yajuma. Ndi demra no kotiawa. Ndim ndi robotin de na metina bontin. Ese na omudi mra na omudi amamintino omompe yasem. Mudi nsem kokota mo fa nsem a mo bedi nkunim nko. MPP for ye de nsem a yinim se we ye de kwa ye bedi nkunim. Sansam na ye de kokot. Ndi ya mo fa mbere mo koma Supreme Court.
Okay. Thank you, Masaro. Hello, good morning.
Okay, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm just on here. Okay, I'm putting my very charming mobile. I'm in Germany at Akye. I'm in Germany for you now. Seki I'm chat the Dr. Mamugo, yeah, then I delegate saying, I'm for your man of kind of game. Seki, I don't know. You need a constitution or can't constitution for BDR. Seki, a better commission, I said, so we feel for the bar. Electoral Commission to acquire the legitimate the department for now, Fellow. Tell you what can we not quit. Take a woman say, but I give you a promise. And you can promise more. And this person number, Yakata say, there are two questions I could have what and this person and take action on that. And I'm a bush. And say, couldn't say that two questions. For the 20 of years, what the third, I don't attempt to so communicate action of. It's not the case of that on the Nasu. Obara Soluzua, King North Canada. And by work at the center, what would you get to a man? We know what no player in on the people. So I say, a man myself from Canada, a quiet to my message. And again, I'm not everyone finds out. And this is the person, the case of my due diligence, and I told you at home. It is almost one day. The list of NDC.
Medase King Jambulani, thank you very much. Afe Yapona, membership birthday with you. The birthday is not ready. All right, from Ata glorious birthday to you. The show to for Janko Ponce on one Kasa and for CBI Crown. Glorious birthday to you. Janko the next one. All right, sports 4 times. So I no pay that. I say wa or birthday I can be no pay. Father Montanasia. You ever wish it at your bound glorious birthday.
I'm on free. Jackpot mo hinning abo. Yeah. Bet we at in a case here jack.